Hi, this is Aisha from Skin Passion. I just want to make these quick videos just to clarify things as to what is going on with me and what is going on with Skin Passion. I'm in the Washington DC area now, the DMV area, and I'm not in Ghana right now. So I had this idea. I had to come back here because I used to live here, and then before I left, I went back home and started Skin Passion and all. But this year I'll be turning 60, and I'm planning on early retirement, which is 62. But in order to qualify to receive Social Security, you have to have 40 credits. And when I left here, I had only 29. So I decided to come back and work and top it up so that at least when I put my retirement in, whatever I get, I'll take, right? So that is why I'm here. And I had this idea that I was going to come and make videos and all. I tried it. I made a couple of videos here from DC. But there are two major obstacles. The first obstacle is who is going to shoot the video? The second obstacle is the time. I work 12-hour shifts. And by the time I come home, maybe my sons are also going out or they are also back from work and they are dead tired. So those are the obstacles. Anyway, so for now, I've instructed my assistant in Ghana to be making some videos. And we'll be posting it. I'll also be posting random videos and sharing some soap recipes because I've decided to share two-pound batch soap recipes. Because what I make, my recipes that I make are, big batches. So it's not for everybody, but the 2-pound batch, everybody can try it. So I'll see what I can do to post what I can post. So I'm working the 12-hour shift. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning now. I have an hour and a half to go. So I have a little bit of downtime. Just want to check in with you guys to let you know what's up, what's going on. So this is actually what is going on with Skin Passion. Skin Passion is doing fine. In Ghana, my assistant is in charge. He's taking care of things. He's doing production. He's going to the farmers market. I know a lot of people associate Skin Passion with soaps, right? But the truth of the matter is we do more than soaps. We do lots of fermentation. We do sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, pickling, and all kinds of stuff, roti breads for the farmers market in Ghana. Because stuff like kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut, there are a lot of people in Ghana who knows it, who are used to it, but they can't find it. So we decided to, fill that gap. So we do that. So he'll be, posting random videos from time to time. And I'll also be posting from DC and sharing recipes with you. So just want to let you know. Pray for me. I'll pray for you. For God to give us all good health. Go through this year safely. In Jesus' name. Thank you all for watching. And hey, this is Aisha coming to you all the way from Washington, D.C., downtown on Columbia Road. Near. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye-bye.